Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can set up or enable the charging limit on your iPhone. As in iOS 18 update, you can see that it is very easy for you to now fix the limit for your battery to increase its life cycles and give you better backup over the time. So what you need to do is go to the settings here, and after going to the settings there is an option of battery. As you can see, tap on the battery option here, and after going to the battery there's a charging option here. Tap on it, and from here you can set the charging limit. As in my case, I have put it to 85%, not the 100%, so that the battery has more health, and over time it will be used in an optimized way and give me better backup and life cycles. So that's how you can increase the life cycles of your iPhone battery and take care of your iPhone. Thank you very much. Bye bye.